adding contacts. So you may have seen the new inbox that just got released. There are so many new features with this inbox that I'm really excited to share with you. 3-panel, 4-panel, or 2-panel design, up to you. I can close off this panel. I can close off this panel. Let's focus on adding contacts. So let's say you needed to message a new owner or new maintenance person, or really anyone, any industry that you need to get in touch with, maybe a vendor of some sorts. You can add a new contact. The way it works is you click this little plus button. You hit the plus button, you select guest, owner, cleaner, maintenance, you put a name, so I'm gonna put Francois Guello, then you put a phone number. So let's do +1 4545, and then we're gonna put an email. There we go. As soon as I hit add contact, we will get a new contact that's created. So one right here. And if I open up the profile, I can see the email that's there, the phone number that's there. I can add different information as I want, and I can directly start messaging this guest. If for any reason I made a mistake and actually turns out this is an owner, we're gonna change it to owner, and there we go. Now it's in the owner inbox, and I'll be able to see it in the owner's view as well.